Welcome back to Section 2, where we will cover convenience features and network handling. In this video, I will talk about the new syntax of Java 12 and switch expressions. First of all, I'd like to mention that you can download the source codes of all the examples mentioned in your videos. So let's get started. The new switch expression syntax allows you to write expressions containing switch and case. Those expressions have different parts and only one of them will be used. It depends on which case label matches the switch. I created a pgn chess file parser application. It is our practical example in this video. I will show you the new switch expression syntax in a minute. But first I create a normal switch statement. It will handle the three different kind of parts. Before trying this out, we have to set IDEA to enable preview mode. You see here that I have opened the P1 switch expressions class and tried to run it. I got an unsupported class version error. If you got this, you have to run classes with preview enabled. You do this by copying this line. Open Edit Configurations. Paste the line Enable Preview to the VM options and click OK. Now you can run the class. Now we take a look at the normal switch statement. Open Switch Expressions Step 1. This class contains a parse method, which parses the moves of chess players. It iterates through the moves and prints them out. The moves are in the string. It contains a switch ending with case 0. In case 1 prints out the step of the white player, and then default prints out the step of the black player. Run the class and see the results. Now I will use break in switch expressions. So far I am ready with printing the number of the move. I also alternate between white and black. This is how the three different parts are ordered inside the pgn chess file. Open Switch Expressions Step 2. You see these classes are almost identical. In the cases, I use break. The switch returns a string message. Run the class and see the results. You see it prints out the colors of the players using the break too. Now I will use arrow operator in the switch expression. Open Switch Expressions Step 3. You see here, in the cases, I use a method called figure. This method returns a switch, and the cases have arrow operators. This form uses an arrow to separate the label of the case and its expression. This is a simpler form of the switch expression, and the best to use when you have a lot of cases. Run the class and see the results. It prints out the colors of the players and the figures. Now I will use multiple case labels. Open Switch Expressions Step 4. In this case, I use a method called move. A case can have multiple labels. This method has a switch expression with multiple case labels and arrow operators, and returns a string with the moves of the figures. Run the class and see the results. It prints out the colors of the players, the figures, and the moves. Switch expressions eliminate the possibility of case fall-through mistake. They help you to be clear about intention. For example, when all case is made to calculate different possible variations of the same expression, it is the perfect choice.